Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust left and right volume in Windows 10, so your audio is perfectly balanced and sounds just right. Step 1. Go to the search bar in Windows 10, which is usually located next to the Start menu, and type mmsys.cpl. This command opens the sound settings where you can manage your audio devices. Step 2. Click on mmsys.cpl from the search results to open the sound control panel. This panel is where Windows lets you manage all your audio devices and settings in one place. Step 3. Locate the audio device you want to adjust for left and right balance. This could be your speakers or headphones, and selecting the right device is important so the changes affect the correct output. Step 4. Right-click on the selected audio device and click on Properties. This opens the device's settings where you can make detailed adjustments to sound levels. Step 5. In the Properties window, click on the Levels tab. This tab shows the main volume and provides access to more detailed balance options. Step 6. Click on Balance. This option allows you to control the volume of the left and right channel separately, which is essential for fixing uneven audio. Step 7. Adjust the left and right volume levels as desired to balance the audio. You can increase or decrease each side until the sound is even and comfortable to listen to. Step 8. Once you are satisfied with the balance, click OK. This saves your settings in the Properties window. Step 9. Click Apply, and then OK to make sure all changes are saved in the sound control panel. This ensures your adjustments are active immediately. Step 10. Close all windows. Your left and right audio should now be balanced perfectly across your speakers or headphones. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.